Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $9,575 level. We are currently ranked at 223 with a market cap of about $318 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $203 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So YFI is basically up or down in the last 24 hours, about 7.9%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? And so we are on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source. And basically right here for YFI, we have been looking at this pattern, basically, which was massive consolidation, massive breakout to the upside. We said exactly the same thing was happening right here for YFI, which we were seeing massive consolidation, a massive break to the upside. Everything was happening exactly as predicted. We were seeing expect prices to push right here into this $12,000 level. But something humorous happened yesterday. As you can see, we saw this sort of massive liquidation week right here of about probably 20%. As you can see, 27%. So it wicked to the upside, wicked to the downside, and basically just liquidated both the bulls and the bears, right? And we saw that sort of consolidation, massive push to the upside. So we said in our last video that we could see some consolidation at this region before we see that push towards the $12,000 level. Everything is moving exactly as predicted. Consolidation before a break to the upside, right? So basically also looking at our volume profile still shows that we continue to see massive buy volumes coming in right here for YFI. Momentum continues to be in favor of the bulls, and we said so far that continues. The YFI continues to remain bullish, and we are expecting a massive breakout to the upside coming soon. So that's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, and also if you want to support the channel, links are in the description. Thank you so much for doing that, and have a blessed day.